Ndewo ndị Nkem. Welcome to our channel. Today's video is about something both personal, powerful, and challenging, which is about language, identity, and heritage. Across the US and beyond, the American-born Igbos, especially the second and third generation, are waking up to something powerful: the need to reconnect to their Igbo roots by learning the Igbo language. So here are some questions. Learning Igbo as an adult in diaspora, is it really easy? In this video, we'll be discussing some things such as why Igbo language is so tough to learn if you weren't born in Igbo land. Secondly, why is it so important to learn now more than ever? And most importantly, how you can actually learn this language through an amazing platform known as Learn Igbo by Conversation, LIBC, which is a game changer. If you have ever felt like you're not Nigerian enough, or you wish to reply to your parents in Igbo, then this is for you. Don't scroll. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's go on this journey together. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell icon, because this is not just a lesson, it's a movement. Now let's begin. Kaigani.